The mitochondria, say it with me, is the powerhouse of the cell. It takes sugar and turns it into energy. But where does that energy actually come from? How does it get stored, and how do your cells actually use it? Let's talk about it. The secret is a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, and if you're intimidated by the fancy name, let me back up a little bit. Molecules are just a bunch of atoms that are holding hands, and sometimes they have electrical charges to them. Just like magnets, molecules with the same charge will repel one another, whereas molecules with opposite charges like to hang out. When four oxygen atoms hold hands with a phosphorus atom, they form a molecule called phosphate, and it brings a lot of negativity to the hang. And when three phosphate molecules start hanging out together, like in adenosine triphosphate, all those negative charges start to repel each other, and it creates a lot of tension within the group. And you can actually try this for yourself. Grab two friends, stand in a line, and hold each other's hands. Then have the two people on the outside lean away from you. Pretty soon, you'll start to feel tension and potential energy building up in your arms and shoulders. And if one of you suddenly lets go, there's going to be a very sudden, dramatic release of all that potential energy. The same thing happens in adenosine triphosphate. Within that ATP molecule, all of those negatively charged phosphates are pulling away from the ones that they're holding hands with, which creates a lot of tension in the chemical bonds that hold them together. Your mitochondria turn sugar into ATP molecules, which get stored until your cells need energy. At that point, a protein comes along that snaps off one of those phosphate groups. When the phosphate-phosphate bond gets broken, the tension releases, and there's a burst of energy that your cells can harness to do all kinds of important tasks that keep your body working.